Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota Ipsum. It comes with 51,058 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side door. Alright, let's take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're looking at down here, 82,170, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 51,058. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family. Thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.